Welcome to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free daily petrochemicals news show. If you enjoy watching the video, at the end of today's daily news report, may I please request you to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Also, do remember to like this video by giving us a thumbs up. It encourages us to continue to bring you free informative news on a daily basis. You are watching the Petrochemical Market Synopsis with me, Emma Devis. It is Thursday, June 1st. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude oil prices fell on Wednesday owing to a rise in fuel inventories in the United States. Also, reports of weak Chinese economic data and the strengthening of the US dollar further exerted a bearish pressure on prices. Brent crude prices fell by 88 cents, settling at $72.66 per barrel, while WTI futures decreased by $1.37, settling at $68.09 per barrel. On Wednesday, open-spec naphtha prices plunged by $19 per metric ton to the $570 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. On Wednesday, propylene prices declined on the back of dull buying activities in Asia. On Wednesday, FOB Korea propylene prices were assessed at the $770 to $780 per metric ton levels, a drop of $5 per metric ton from Tuesday's assessed levels. CFR China propylene prices on Wednesday were assessed at the $780 to $790 per metric ton levels, day-on-day fall of $5 per metric ton. On Wednesday, despite bearish energy rates, ethylene prices remained unchanged in Asia. On Wednesday, softer regional demand trends and ample product availability prompted a decline in ethylene prices in Europe. On Wednesday, bullish regional buying trends led to a rise in propylene prices in Europe. On Wednesday, muted demand sentiments and soft buying trends prompted ethylene and propylene prices to remain constant in the United States. Back to our news. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today. On June 1, 2023, LLDPE prices are down by RMB 19 per metric ton at RMB 7600 per metric ton. PP prices are lower by RMB 64 per metric ton at RMB 6800 per metric ton. PVC prices are down by RMB 14 per metric ton at RMB 5660 per metric ton. MEG prices are lower by RMB 20 per metric ton at RMB 3966 per metric ton. In plant news, Shaoxing Sanyuan Petrochemical has restarted its number 1 polypropylene unit recently following a maintenance turnaround which commenced on April 24, 2023. Located at Shaoxing, Zhejiang in China, the number 1 PP unit has a production capacity of 200,000 metric ton per year. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Plex Connect. Plex Connect 2023 is a unique business networking platform which will connect global buyers with Indian suppliers. The show especially focuses on inviting selected international buyers of plastics who will be invited to meet Indian exhibitors for their sourcing requirement. The first ever export-focused event for plastic. Plex Connect, established since 1955, the Plastics Export Promotion Council, PlexCouncil, is sponsored by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Department of Commerce, Government of India. PlexCouncil continues to remain engaged in promoting India as a major sourcing hub for the plastics industry, opening new bilateral trade opportunities for the Indian and global plastics industries. That's all for today's Polymer News. Do remember to watch our daily news video tomorrow for further industry updates.